Welcome to the Assessment Center at Santa Monica College. The purpose of this video is to orient and help you prepare for the assessment process. In order to test, you must have an SMC identification number and bring a valid photo ID. First-time college students are required to assess in mathematics and English or ESL. If English is not your first language, this graphic will help you determine if you should take the ESL test. Your test results will help determine how many math and English courses you need to take to reach your educational goal, so take it seriously. Preparing for your English and math assessments can make a big difference in your performance on these tests. Our research shows that students who prepared by familiarizing themselves with the test content and by reviewing our test preparation materials were 18% more likely to place into college-level English and 36% more likely to place into college-level math than those that did not prepare. These students were more likely to place into remedial English and math. When asked about their performance, students stated they should have prepared before taking their placement exams. You can find assessment test preparation materials on the assessment website at www.smc.edu/assessment under Tests and Services.
Hi, how may I help you?
Hi, I'm here for my math and English assessment.
All right. Just need you to read over this verification form and then just please sign and date at the bottom. All right, you can take that slip, step on outside, and it's the next door on the left.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
As an SMC student, you must always abide by our honor code and do not engage in academic misconduct. Upon completing your placement exams, you will receive a copy of your results. In the case of English, students may be placed into one of three groups. Group A, English 1. Group B, English 21A/23. And Group C, English 81A/83A. Placement in mathematics ranges from basic arithmetic, Math 81, to calculus, Math 7. Placement results are based on your performance on the exams, as well as the use of multiple measures.
Mama, hey!
Hey, Lily.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the Welcome Center. I just finished my placement test, so I need to see the counselor.
Oh, how did you do?
I got English 21A and Math 84. I know I could have done better.
That's not so bad. It's better than the first time I tested. I spoke to a counselor, and he informed me about retesting and how to prepare for placement tests. I placed higher the second time. We should think about studying retesting too.
Yeah, I wish I'd studied for the assessment.
Norma, given your educational goals, you will need to complete Math 54, Statistics, and English 1. This means that you will need to take English 21A, 21B, and 1. In the case of Math, you will need to take Math 84, 31, 18, and 54.
Wow, that's a lot of courses. I didn't know the placement test would be this important. I would have taken it more seriously. I rushed through that English test, and it's been over a year since I've done math.
That's understandable. Let me ask you, did you prepare for it?
Not really. I thought it would be easy and I'd do okay.
You know, you can retest, but I strongly recommend that you prepare first. Let me show you the Assessment Center's website, and I'll explain.
To increase the probability of placing into higher level courses, it is crucial that you spend sufficient time preparing for the assessment tests. This includes familiarizing yourself with the type of test you will take, the kind of questions you'll be tested on, and spending time studying or brushing up on your skills. The Assessment Center has compiled resources to assist you. Additionally, be sure that you give yourself enough time when you take your tests. You may take as much time as needed. For example, as you can see here, the mathematics placement test consists of pre-algebra, algebra, college algebra, geometry, and a trigonometry section. The math test is self-paced, multiple choice, and adaptive, meaning that you'll be presented with questions depending on your demonstrated skill level. Thus, you may not be tested on all sections. Our website provides you with the specific content on which you will be assessed in each subject area. In addition, test preparation resources are also available. These include sample tests, videos, and links to other test preparation websites. Our research shows that students who review and study are much more likely to place into college-level courses. We strongly encourage you to take advantage of these resources.
Okay, Norma.
Hey Lily, I'm so happy. I took your advice to study and retake the placement test. I did so much better. I'm not gonna have to take as many math classes as I thought.
That's great. And if studying worked for me, it'll definitely pay off for you.
To summarize, preparing for your placement test can make the difference between placing at the college level or basic skills courses. It is important that you familiarize yourself with the content of tests, the kind of questions you'll be asked, and above all, preparing by using the many resources available on the Assessment Center's website.